Okay, good morning. This is 4F1KJ, and I would like to show you on video a homebrew Hustler G7. And later on, I will change this name because I didn't copy thoroughly only the measurement, because we may violate some copyright infringement. So as you can see at the homebrew G7 that I made is it changes some specs design, so I reminded for the copyright infringement. Okay, so it's not finally over because I have to shield the trap coil, the other trap coils on upper level, and I have already calibrated this antenna. And the difference between G7 on the baseline is it's a rounded type. Okay, so on the near end is I'm using a square format of the base, and the radial should be aluminum rod, not aluminum tube. That is now a big difference from the original G7. Okay, but the measurement is still the same, especially the trap coil. Okay, so there's the connector for the PL259, and I use the SO239, and I'm not using the N-type connector. So there's the coil, and then on the upper part, you can see the center load coil. Okay, so it's now already connected to the radio inside. So let's see the calibration of this antenna. Let's see. Okay, so we have here. Okay, let's go to my other working table on the left side. Okay, this is my working table. Okay, and this is now my other side of the working table. There's my assistant tech. Okay, I'm using a ICOM 2200 radio, and now it's tuned to 145 megahertz as a center calibration frequency, and I got the Diamond SX200. Okay, and for the microphone, I'm using a Turner Plus 2 Plus Gordon. Okay, so check, it's on a high power mode. Okay, for the 2200. Okay, it is. So let's try to transmit it. Okay, so let's put it on the calibration mode. Okay, transmit. Okay, so calibrate. Okay, 145 megahertz, calibrate, and then release. Okay, so it's 1.1. Okay, release. On the release mode. Okay, transmit. See, 1.1 on 145 megahertz, and then we'll change it to the lower part. Lower frequency of the amateur is 144. Okay, so check. Minimal, it's flat 1. Okay, transmitting. Negligible SWR. Okay, so let's go to the lower part of the amateur. It's now going to a commercial frequency band 143. So check on the transmit of the radio. Okay, still negligible. Okay, so 142. Okay, 142. So I think we got a very good calibration on the G7. Okay, on 142, let's say 141. Oops, sorry, 141. Okay, okay, there it goes. It's 1.5. Okay, 141, 140 goes to 1.6. Got here 139, 140. Okay, still 1.6, and we got 139. Still on 1.5. Okay, 138. Still can be used. 138, 137 on frequency. Still 1.4, and we got 136 megahertz. Okay, 1.4. So let's go more upper on the 2-meter band. Okay, let's go to 146. On 146 megahertz. Okay. Oh, it's negligible. 1.1. Okay. 147. Okay, still negligible. Okay, 148. Okay, it's 1.2. Okay, it's 149. Still 142. 150 megahertz. Okay, 1.3. Okay, 151, 1.3, 152, 1.4. Okay, is 153. Okay, still 1.4, 54 megahertz. Okay, 1.5 and 155. Okay, still 1.5. So I think still on the wide range, I have already found the secret of Hustler G7. It's not a narrow band frequency to calibrate, but it can be wide. Okay, so I have already proven to you that I have perfectly worked out with the Hustler G7, and since I changed some specs so that I will not be able to have a case for copyright infringement. So next stage will be a mass production for the Hustler G7. So if you want to have this type of antenna and to have a copy of homebrew of DU1 KJ homebrew G7, or let's say A7. I'll change the name of that antenna for my own identity. Okay, so I hope you like this, and if ever you're going to order for this type of antenna, call us or visit our website www.4f1kja.com and place an order for mass production. A simple down payment will do it for the rest, and much better if more order, it will be more cheaper, so that mass production will go on with this type of antenna. Okay, I'm not going to make any more Ring Ranger because there are already lot of imitators for the Ringo Ranger, which they already discredit the Ringo Ranger. But Ringo Ranger is also a very strong antenna if they just only copy the right specs, the right measurement of each antenna, of each parts of the Ringo Ranger. What I do here on G7, I also copy minutes per second of the measurement. Okay, so I could perfect this type of antenna hustler. So we got here now. I finally discovered the secret of G7, and let's see how many will it be done. Okay, I hope you like my video. So 73 to all, 4F1 KJA signing off. Good morning.